Are you tired of stripping bolts, reaching into impossible spots, or just not having the right tool when you need it most? Today on Tools Query, we're breaking down the best tools for mechanics, from massive socket sets to tiny rescue tools that'll save your whole day. We reviewed 20 products across quality, value, and real-world use. Let's get into it. CRAFTSMAN 230 pieces. Mechanics toolset kicks off our list, and it earns that top spot. This 230-piece set covers 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives, so you're ready for basically any job in the shop. The full polished chrome finish looks clean and resists corrosion over time. What really sets it apart is the VersaStack compatibility. Your toolbox can physically stack and connect with other CRAFTSMAN storage units. The 72-tooth ratchet gives you fine control in tight spots. A seriously organized setup for the modern mechanic, great for professionals leveling up their shop game. Next up, the GRENPRO ratcheting wrench set, a 12-piece metric set running from 8mm to 19mm. It's made from chrome vanadium steel, which means durability without the crazy price tag. The 12-point box end gives you 2 times the engagement points of a standard wrench. The magic number here is 5 degrees. That's all the swing arc you need to use these wrenches. In a cramped engine bay, that's the difference between getting the job done and throwing your wrench across the garage. Number 3. DEWALT Mechanic Tool Set. The DEWALT 247-piece mechanic tool set is one of the most trusted names on this list, and for good reason. The 72-tooth pairhead ratchet sits perfectly in your hand, and the knurled beauty rings give you a non-slip grip even with oily hands. DEWALT builds these tough, and the socket-to-ratchet fitment is extremely tight. It all comes in a blow-molded case with metal latches that won't pop open in your truck bed. Covering 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives, this is a workhorse set that handles daily professional use. A heavy-duty choice for mechanics who need reliability every single day. Number 4. Platinum Edge Impact Bolt and Nut Remover Set. Every mechanic eventually meets a bolt that won't budge. That's exactly where the Platinum Edge Impact Bolt and Nut Remover Set comes in. This 13-piece rescue kit is built from chrome molybdenum steel, one of the toughest materials you can put on a tool. The internal spiral flute design actually bites harder the more torque you apply. It handles everything from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch on a 3/8 inch drive, covering rusted, rounded off, and painted bolts. Think of this as insurance. You hope you never need it, but when you do, nothing else will do. A must-have for any serious shop toolkit. Number 5. Amazon Basics 201-piece mechanics socket tool set. Don't sleep on the Amazon Basics 201-piece mechanics socket tool set just because of the brand name. This 201-piece kit in chrome vanadium gives you deep and standard sockets, ratchets, hex keys, and screwdriver bits, all in one box. The polished chrome finish holds up well to everyday use. The real story here is the value. You'd be hard-pressed to find this many tools at this price from any other brand. It's an Amazon bestseller for a reason. A great budget-friendly starter set for new mechanics or weekend warriors. Number 6. Pro Lift Mechanic Creeper. Working under a car shouldn't wreck your back, and the Pro Lifty Mechanic Creeper makes sure it doesn't. This 36-inch creeper supports up to 300 pounds and rolls smooth on 6 oil-resistant swivel casters. The padded headrest and vinyl foam padding keep you comfortable for long jobs. The low-profile design is built specifically for vehicles with limited ground clearance. You slide under without a fight. It's a straightforward, well-built creeper that does exactly what it promises. Ideal for home garages and small shops. A solid, everyday comfort upgrade. Number 7. M-Auto Foldable Z Creeper. The M-Auto Foldable Z Creeper takes the creeper concept and makes it smarter. At 40 inches long with a 300-pound capacity, it's larger and stronger than most. But the real win is the 2-in-1 design that flips from a rolling creeper into a padded seat. 6 360-degree heavy-duty casters keep everything smooth and stable. When you're working on wheels or brakes, sitting upright just makes more sense, and this lets you do both without switching tools. It folds flat for easy storage too. Number 8. WorkPro Impact Socket Extension Set. Reach is everything under a hood, and the WorkPro Impact Socket Extension Set solves that problem with a 9-piece kit that includes extensions, universal joints, and adapters. Everything is heat-treated chrome molybdenum, the same material used in professional impact-grade tools. The manganese phosphate finish fights corrosion better than standard chrome. These are designed to handle the high-torque punishment of impact wrenches without bending or cracking. The universal joints let you attack bolts from awkward angles that would otherwise be unreachable. Essential accessories for any impact wrench owner. Number 9. Vever half-inch drive impact socket set. If you're doing suspension work or pulling lug nuts, the Vever half-inch drive impact socket set is built exactly for that. The 19-piece kit covers 10mm to 24mm with a 6-point high-torque design that won't round off the fastener under load. Laser-etched markings stay readable even after years of shop abuse. The half-inch drive pairs perfectly with most air and electric impact wrenches. For the price, the build quality here is genuinely impressive. Heavy walls, clean machining, and a solid storage case. A budget-friendly powerhouse for heavy-duty suspension and wheel work. Number 10. NACO Magnetic Tool and Telescoping Mirror Set. Every mechanic drops something in the worst possible spot. The NACO Magnetic Tool and Telescoping Mirror Set is how you get it back. The magnetic pickup handles up to 15 pounds, and the LED lights let you see into pitch-black spaces without needing a second flashlight. The 2-inch mirror swivels 360 degrees and extends on a telescoping arm for full inspection coverage. Together, these two tools cover dropped bolts, hidden leaks, and engine bay inspections you'd otherwise need a mirror and a prayer for. It's simple, cheap, and incredibly useful. A must-have diagnostic kit that earns its spot in every toolbox. Number 11. TL Green Mechanics Tool Set. For something you keep in your car, the TL Green 218-piece mechanics tool set is tough to beat. It packs ratchets, sockets, wrenches, and pliers into a compact carrying case made from high-quality forged steel, all 218 pieces. The case is light enough to stow in a trunk without thinking about it. Whether you're roadside or helping a friend, having this kit means you're never caught unprepared. The variety of included tools makes it a genuine all-rounder rather than just a socket set. Number 12. Tomar's Stubby Ratchet Set. Some spaces are just too tight for a regular ratchet. The Tomar's Stubby Ratchet Set is the answer. This 3-piece set covers 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives in an ultra-short stubby design that fits where standard handles simply can't. The 72-tooth mechanism still gives you fine rotation control, despite the compact form. Don't mistake the small size for weakness. These are rated for high-torque applications and feel solid in hand. Once you use a stubby in a tight engine bay, you'll wonder how you lived without one. Number 13. PPZ Electrical Disconnect Pliers. Snapping a plastic wiring connector is one of the most frustrating and expensive mistakes you can make. The PPZ Electrical Disconnect Pliers prevent exactly that. Made from high-carbon steel with non-slip ergonomic handles, these are built specifically for automotive electrical connectors. The precision tips release the plastic locking tabs cleanly every time. No more prying with a screwdriver and hoping for the best. These save time, frustration, and the cost of replacement connectors or harnesses. A small investment that pays for itself the first time you use it on a delicate connector. Number 14. Kikariki Terminal Pin Removal Toolkit. For serious wiring harness work, the Kikariki Terminal Pin Removal Toolkit is a game changer. This 82-piece kit in stainless steel and plastic covers, single pin, double pin, and full casing extractions. basically every connector type you'll encounter. Each tool is sized precisely so you don't damage the pin housing during removal. Whether you're repairing a bad ground, replacing a sensor connector, or rebuilding a harness, this kit handles it cleanly. Most shops charge a premium for this kind of precision work. Now you can do it yourself. Number 15. King Tool Home Tool Set Kit. The King Tool 325-piece Home Tool Set Kit is the definition of one box does it all. At 325 pieces in chrome vanadium, it includes sockets, a hammer, a level, a tape measure, and screwdrivers alongside your automotive basics. It genuinely bridges the gap between home repair and light mechanical work. If you're a homeowner who also works on cars occasionally, this is your set. You won't need to buy two separate kits. The sheer variety means you're covered for almost any project that walks through your garage. Best for DIYers who want maximum coverage without multiple purchases. Coming in at number 16, the Swan Lake 50-piece 3/8-inch drive impact socket set is the most complete mid-drive kit on this list. You get both deep and shallow configurations in metric and SAE, plus extensions and a universal joint, all in one purchase. That means no hunting for a separate SAE set to fill the gaps. The 3/8-inch drive is the sweet spot for general automotive work. Not too big, not too small. Everything fits together cleanly, and the included accessories make it genuinely versatile. Number 17. DEWALT Socket Wrench Auto Repair Tool. The DEWALT 192-piece socket wrench auto repair tool stands out for one unexpected reason: its bold black and orange styling. Every tool has a designated spot in the organized case, so you can see at a glance if something's missing. The heavy-duty plastic case keeps everything locked in place during transport. At 192 pieces, it covers your core needs without overwhelming you with sizes you'll never use. The visual organization is genuinely useful for anyone who's ever lost a socket at the bottom of a toolbox. Number 18. King Tool 276-piece tool set kit. The King Tool 276-piece tool set kit is built for someone just getting started who doesn't want to buy multiple sets over time. Made from heat-treated steel with a focus on general automotive and home repair, it covers an impressive range for the price. The wide variety of included tools means you can tackle most beginner-level jobs right out of the box. This isn't a professional-grade kit, but it's honest about that, and priced accordingly. For low-intensity tasks and learning the basics, it delivers real value without overwhelming a newcomer. Number 19. WorkPro 5-piece locking pliers set. When a bolt is too damaged for any wrench or socket, the WorkPro 5-piece locking pliers set becomes your best friend. The 5-piece set includes curved jaw and long nose styles in heat-treated alloy steel with a nickel-plated finish for corrosion resistance. Once locked, these grip like a vise and don't let go. Think of them as extra hands, useful for clamping, holding, turning, and even pulling stuck parts free. The adjustable jaw means they adapt to different sizes without swapping tools. Closing out our list in a big way, the WorkPro 450-piece drive socket set is the ultimate master kit. With 450 pieces covering 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives, quick-release 72 tooth ratchets, and a multi-drawer organization chest, this is the set you buy when you're serious. Every socket size you could ever need is in here. SAE, metric, deep, shallow, the works. This isn't an almost complete set with gaps. It genuinely covers everything. For professional mechanics or serious enthusiasts who hate making multiple orders, this is the one-and-done solution. So there you have it, 20 of the best tools for mechanics. If I had to call out two favorites, the CRAFTSMAN 230-piece set for everyday shop work and the WorkPro 450-piece master kit for total coverage, are both seriously impressive. Check the links in the description below. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you in the next one.